In today's video, we will see how you can share your PayPal link to someone. And for that, first you need to have, of course, PayPal account. And if you don't have, you can go and set up by signing up here or signing up here. So there are two types of account, personal and business account. Business gives you little more additional features like invoicing and other stuff. Personal is just sending and receiving of money. So that's the difference we'll get to see once we go in. Signing up is very simple. You either give your mobile number or email ID, password, and then choose the country where you're from, connect your bank account, and then that should. So I'm not going with the signing up process. It's simple. If you feel there should be a video, I will try to make one little later. So I already have a account. I will log in. So this is the PayPal dashboard, and you can see here if you want to transfer money, you click here. Right now we are looking at sending the link of your PayPal account, and for that you come to request and click here. Once you're on the request page, you see here share your personal profile. Click here. Then your personal profile gets seen like this, and after this many people get lost with where to find the link. So it's simple. You see here, this is the share button. Once you click here, profile opens like this. It shows your name, then the location where you are, and then from here you have 4 ways to share your link. You can either send it to Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, or just copy the link and share it either on a WhatsApp or on a email. The person to whom you are sending the link, once they click the link, they get a page like this where they can go and send money. So this is the simplest way to send the link to someone whom you want to share. If you're struggling to share this link, the other alternate is come to contact. Once you click here, this is your profile section, and here you can copy, you can send to Facebook, you can send to Messenger, or you can send to Twitter. So this is another method through which you can send your link. Hope you find this video useful. I have several other videos on my channel. I hope you have subscribed by now. If not, please subscribe, and you can check out videos related to website, technology, learning, business in Canada, in US, and YouTube related. Thanks for watching.